Well, good morning and welcome back to 360 Alaskan Life. I'm over here today at a neighbor's house and they've got a lot of damage from breakup. And breakup up here in Alaska, the water can get pretty violent and start running and tear up the roads. So their driveway had a river running right down the middle of it. We're gonna take a look at that right now. So here's where their driveway was damaged. You can see the ruts got pretty big from the water running down on breakup. So we're going to take the Boxblade to this today with my Kubota B2650 and see if we can't get this repaired. All right, let's head up and get the Boxblade set up. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is get these scarifiers turned around. These spring clips on the scarifiers, they are a pain. I've got a pair of needle nose pliers I use to get in there a little better. But of course I couldn't find them. Just do the best I can with the pliers I got. Alright, got all the scarifiers in the down position. Let's get ready to Boxblade this road. Stick around. Just another look at their damaged driveway here. You can see the river really tore it up. It's got a big root right here, gonna have to watch out for. Alright, so we got the road a little tore up with the scarifiers. I think it's already time to flip the scarifiers back around and smooth the road out a bit. Go ahead and get that done. We'll go ahead and adjust this so it's a little more aggressive. So here's the finish. It's definitely not perfect. I mean, we could use a load of gravel on it and some geotech paper under the gravel to really make it look nice. But it certainly looks a lot better than it was. If you see, I kept getting stopped. That was because there's a giant birch tree root right here. This birch tree over here had a root right across the driveway. I kept catching it. So here's the end results of that birch tree root. So we'll have to cut that thing out. Well, thanks for watching 360 Alaskan Life. If you enjoy watching this as much as I enjoy making these tractor videos, please leave a like, subscribe. And we'll see you next time for our next project.